David, is their criticism of Saban fair?
I don't care, Molly. Listen, when you got guys that transfer, they transfer for a reason. Their feelings are hurt. They feel like they should have been the starter. They should have been the guy. And a lot of times they're told that in recruiting. They might be the guy, and I understand that. But it's just crying about crying about sour grapes. It's somebody that's upset. I don't necessarily want to hear about it. And it's you move on. You go do you now and do the best version of you somewhere else. But that old stuff is to pass. And everybody's the guy. Newsflash. Right. Nick Saban's recruiting everybody who's going to be the next guy and the next five-star guy, and he plugs them in right one after another, and you chose to leave. You didn't want to be there anymore, and you're somewhere else. Move on.
I'm very leery of guys that have something negative to say after you leave. Like, be a man and say the thing while you're there. Now, when you lose the quarterback competition to a guy that came in as a true freshman and beat you out, pay respect to the man. The fact of the matter is Jalen Hurts came in and beat them out. He won the job. Now, whether Saban communicated that to them through the process, only the people in that room know. But I know the one thing. When I watched the tape, Alabama looked like a different team once Jalen Hurts came on the field. And Lane Kiffin, who we give all the credit for being the quarterback whisperer in Tuscaloosa for the last 3 or 4 years, he and Nick Saban got together and they made that choice. So I'm going to lean with Nick Saban and lean with Jalen Hurts. I think they made the right decision. And these young kids, hey, grow up, stop crying. You lost the job, move on.